Now, I mentioned that tornado emergency was the first ever in the Houston area. I want to bring in Mariel Ruiz. Mariel, so tornado emergency, that's different from tornado watch and tornado warning. Can you tell us how?
Absolutely. So tornado warnings, those happen. In fact, tornadoes happen in Southeast Texas in January, in February. In fact, on this day 11 years ago, 6 tornadoes were reported in Southeast Texas. A tornado emergency, though, is kind of a different beast. I want to show you how big the system was. And like we mentioned yesterday, we spoke about this on Daybreak, the major difference in the impacts from the Panhandle to Southeast Texas. So here's a look at how radar looked like. Again, this is not live. This was yesterday in Southeast Texas around 2:20, just south of Pasadena was when that tornado warning became a tornado emergency. And that's because there was a confirmed and large, extremely dangerous tornado that was spotted not only on radar, but storm spotters were sending these reports into the National Weather Service. And this did continue on a northwestward track towards areas closer to Baytown. I noticed Deer Park included in that as well. So what a tornado emergency is whenever there is a significant threat to life and property, and it's because of a large tornadic activity. This was a tornado that likely took on the track of about 14 to 15 miles during that 30 minutes that it was on the ground. And again, I want to emphasize, this is the first time Harris County saw a tornado emergency. And again, this generally only is ever put in place whenever there's already a tornado warning active, and then whenever there is a confirmed tornado that's going through an area that's highly populated, has a lot of businesses, and has a significant threat to life and property. And today we'll know the official rating of that tornado, Mark.